Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to go ahead and do a POV drive for you guys in my 2019 Dodge Charger Scat Plus. Car has a mid-muffler delete and Catless downpipe. So we're going to go ahead and go for a drive, right? Go ahead and pop open the sunroof so you guys can hear the car a lot more. I know it's cold as heck outside, but it's all good. Just for the video, you know. Gotta do it for the video. Alrighty, let's get to it. So this part of town I gotta be careful because Dearborn police, I'm in Dearborn, Michigan. Dearborn police love to sit on the street. I'm on Warren Avenue. They love to sit on the street. to show you guys the performance pages. So this is a 2019 Scat pack. So on the 2019s they got the SRT mode. 2020s, from my understanding, just have performance pages. So I'm gonna go ahead and load that up for you guys. So if you guys are wondering how are my coolant temps so low, I mean, it's not just because it's like 23 degrees out, but I also have a 180 degree thermostat in the car instead of the stock 205 thermostat. So it's helping keep my coolant temps a lot lower. So that's why my coolant temps are as low as they are right now. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, the 180 thermostat, it helps a lot. So I highly recommend you do the 180 thermostat if you own a 392 Challenger or Charger. Highly recommend you get Mishimoto. The Mishimoto 180 thermostat, that's like the best thermostat to get for your car. Highly recommend you get a Mishimoto thermostat. Make sure you get a tune, because if you don't get a tune, it's gonna pop up the check engine light on your car. So make sure you get it tuned, and make sure you put the right coolant back into the car. Don't put random non-branded coolant or non-Mopar coolant, because if you do that, it could mess up with the thermostat and make the thermostat go bad. So just be careful with that. I learned my lesson. I had a HHP thermostat 180, and the thermostat actually went bad on that. So just be careful when you guys do your thermostat swap on your 392s, even on the Hellcats. A lot of the modifications on the 392 is compatible with the Hellcat. So Hellcat 392, when you do mods, a lot of the components is the same. Like when you go Catless, and when you add an intake, most of the stuff is the same, besides the fact do a tunnel pull. Besides the fact that obviously the Hellcat is supercharged. From my understanding, with the Hellcat, the leg maker and the B Woody intakes are like the best intakes to get for the Hellcat. But for the 392, for the Charger specifically, the best intake for the Charger is the Hellcat intake. But for the Challenger, I don't really know that much information about the Challenger, so I can't really comment on that. So, but yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the performance pages. Honestly, daily driving with the Catless mid pipes, I'm gonna be very honest with you guys, it's not bad at all. Just make sure you don't cut out your rear resonators where it controls the active exhaust, because if you want to drive in eco mode, do not cut that off. It's gonna eliminate all the drone for you, so you won't have to worry about drone. I'll actually cut the car in the eco mode actually right now for you guys once I get a chance to, because obviously, you know, with one hand I'm recording and one hand I'm driving. So I mean, even with my car right now is in custom mode. Even with the custom mode in track, when I'm not really pushing down the throttle, you guys can hear that, you know, it's quiet. The car is not loud at all. It's not making any excessive sounds. There's no drone. It sounds perfectly fine, if you ask me. To me personally, I think the car sounds perfectly fine. Yeah, highly recommend you guys go for the Catless setup. If anyone's looking for power gains, anybody's looking for a louder sound, the Catless route is the way to go. Now obviously if you want to put long tube headers, now that I don't know. I know for sure it's gonna be 10 times louder from the way the car currently is, but still, you know, to his their own, you know. I would have done it, honestly. I would have put long tube headers on my 392, but the thing is, I'm gonna be upgrading the car. As you guys, I don't know if you follow me on Instagram or not. If you don't, be sure to check out my Instagram, Sinister_Scat 392_. Shoot me a follow, check out my page. I do have a Hellcat Red Eye Charger on order. It is going to be here at the end of the month of February, so I will be getting rid of my Scat pack hopefully soon. I'm honestly, you know, bummed out that I'm, you know, getting rid of this car. You know, I love this car, you know. It's a very fun car, very good daily driver. I loved it. I babied the life out of this thing. I've never spun my car. I've only done one burnout, and that was when I was changing my tires. But yeah, let's go ahead and change this to the eco mode. Alright guys, so the car is in eco. As I don't know if you guys can hear the car or not, but it is quiet. The car is insanely quiet, and I'm myself shocked of how quiet the car is. I'm cruising about 40 miles per hour, as you guys can see, and the car is absolutely quiet. So if you want to cruise and you don't want to race anyone, you don't want to drive in track mode, you know, make the car pop, eco mode is the way to go. You know, everything eco, you know, save your gas. You know, I'm gonna be honest with you, this eco mode, it doesn't make a difference at all with your car. It just depends on how you drive. As you guys can see, I'm gonna show you guys my MPG. It's not really the best. It's 12.8. I honestly usually average about 14 to 15 miles per gallon, but as you guys know, you know, when you drive a car like this, you're gonna have a heavy right foot, so obviously, you know, I'm always driving in my track custom mode. I always drive in custom. I never drive in track. I always just drive in custom. My personal preference, especially having traction on. I know a lot of people like to drive without traction on, but I like to have control of my car. But yeah guys, thanks for watching. That's gonna conclude the POV video, the nighttime POV. I'll do another daytime POV video for you guys, so you guys can see the steering wheel and the interior properly, you know, instead of it being dark as hell in here, you know. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please drop a like, please subscribe, shoot me a follow on Instagram. It's down in the description down below. I appreciate you watching the video. Have a great night, have a great day. Take care.